It's sweeping the nation. Impress your friends.
Well, this is a bird head.
I was trying to charve Texas.
Yeah.
And then I messed up.
Yeah.
And then I realized that if I turned it around, it looked a little bit like Australia.
This is Wyoming.
This latest phenomenon will have you wondering who chewed the cheese. It's called charving. We caught up with the inventor of this innovative art form, Sarah Weeks, who actually is really best known for being an author.
And charving is a word that I made up. It's a combination of carving and chewing. And Oggie's specialty is charving all of the states in the United States.
Her latest book is called Oggie Cooder. Oggie is quirky, not very popular, and just so happens to be an expert charver, which he doesn't think is special at all. Then the national TV show Hidden Talents comes to town, and Oggie's cheesy chewing changes his life. But not before the super spoiled Donica Perfecto tries to charve her way to fame.
The judges suddenly broke into enthusiastic applause. First rate, dynamite talent, quirky with a capital Q, one of them exclaimed enthusiastically. Thank you, said Donica, taking a bow. No, not you, honey, one of the judges said to Donica. We're talking about him. Shocked, Donica whirled around on her heel to see who they were pointing at, and there was Oggie Cooder holding a perfectly charved Texas in his hand.
When the judges realized Donica's charving was amateur next to Oggie's, he becomes an instant celebrity, fashion trendsetter, and everyone's best friend.
Charving is fun if you happen to like the taste of American cheese. I think a lot of kids like the taste of American cheese. I personally kind of like blue cheese, but it would not be good for charving at all. If I wanted to exercise, I think it's like that.
Go in here, and then you have to go in here.
Or you could carry them like roses, like Miss America.
Michigan and New Hampshire and Wisconsin.
Unfortunately, we're not going to be allowed to throw cheese at the ceiling, but I highly recommend it when you're home.
This is a leaf.
What kind of a tree would have that kind of a leaf?
So are you ready to charve like these students from New York City? You'll need some cheese, and you'll want to pick up a copy of the book, Oggie Cooder, where you'll discover the best cheese temperature, how a chipped tooth can alter your outcome, and how a quirky kid's talent caught the eye of America. Oggie Cooder by Sarah Weeks is at the Scholastic Book Fair.